Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys this date look I've created here and some outfits as you saw at the beginning of the video. But before we start, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you like this whole entire look right here, and follow me on my social media handles, and let's get started with the video. So this is a very basic makeup look right here, and I've only used 3 colors, one from each palette, and I will show you in a sec. This is very rosy, romantic, and we kept the eyelashes light so you can see the eyeshadows. First, we're going to go in with the P. Louise Beige, and now we're going to go in with the Winky Luxe Kitten palette in the shade Strut, and we will be using this all over the lid. Just any flesh tone color that's closest to your skin would work best. Next is the KKW Classic palette, and we're going to go in with Dash. And we will just be placing that in the crease just to give it some more depth. So now we are going in with the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, and we're going to go into Rose Pink and place that on the center of the lid just to give it some shine and sparkle so we can draw the light into our eyes. For a softer eyeliner look, I went into Kylie's palette into Bronzite and Obsidian, and then lined my eyes with Killer Liner by Too Faced, and then I used the Volume Fix by Etude House to hold my lashes and give it some volume. So next up is just to curl your hair how you normally like to do it, and for this I used a 1-inch curling iron. So here are 2 outfit ideas with a white top and jeans. So this top right here I got from Fashion Nova, and it's actually a bodysuit. What I really like about this is that it's very romantic, very flirty, and the sleeves are very belle-like. You can add on a hat just to have that boho summer look. And another thing what I really like about this bodysuit is that it really shows off your figure. So here's another romantic flirty type of shirt. It's very flirty. I got this from Miss Alola. It's an off-the-shoulder crop top with puffy sleeves and the front tied up. And this is the completed look with the wavy hair and the eyes. I hope you guys enjoy this quick look right here. It's a very short video, and it's not normally the videos I normally do, but I still hope you guys enjoyed this and this quick tutorial. It's a very simple look, and there's just enough shimmer just to have the eyes drawn in. Other than that, I will list everything that I've used in the description box below like I normally do, such as my foundation, my blush, and all the good stuff. And I hope you guys liked this look again, and the twinkle and the sparkle in my eyes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to check out these other videos right here if you haven't done so already. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!